Welcome back, Grizzlies, to Student Gov's digital whole school meeting. Community service opportunity. For juniors and seniors, if you guys want to sign up, there is an event on March 10th. It's a Saturday from 7 to 2 p.m., and it's over here at ESAT.
ESAT athletes, get ready for your photo shoot on March 7th. If you are interested in purchasing individual or team pictures, please see Ms. Godseen so she can give you an order form. Please wear your blue uniforms and be ready to turn in your whole uniform into Ms. Godseen.
ESAT's annual blood drive. ESAT is having another blood drive, and it is being held April 13th in the cafeteria from 8:30 to 2:30. Signups will be open every Wednesday and Friday, beginning Wednesday, March 7th, during lunch under the staircase, or you can go to the link on ESAT High, which is right there. Here are the requirements if you want to donate. Reminder, you also must be 16 or older, and if you are 16, you must obtain a permission slip. More requirements. Don't forget to eat and drink before you donate so you don't die.
Alright guys, ESAT is starting a book club which will be started in Miss Plattner's classroom and will be held Tuesdays during lunch break. You should join the club to share your thoughts on books you're currently reading, and you can earn community service by reading books to children or to the elderly in hospitals, or reading stories to children in libraries. There are fun book events around Los Angeles that you would be invited to if you guys join the event.
Foreign Film Club is meeting this Friday in Miss Mason's room to watch Sing Street, a movie about a boy and his motivation to start a band. The movie starts at 4 and food will be provided. Félicitations à Chelsea DeLeon.
For winning second place in the Cal State LA French Poem Contest.
Congratulations. Congratulations to our junior class winners for thoughtfully and correctly answering the college questionnaire on their college field trips.
Be the next students to receive a free college trip by attending your college field trip and filling out your form. Sophomores look forward to a college trip April 11th, and freshmen look forward to another one May 16th.
Environmental Science Hours Opportunity. LA Environmental Education Fair. When? March 10th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Where? At the Arboretum. Receive 2 environmental service hours.
At the same time, learn about environmental solutions in presentations, activities, arts and crafts, games, all eco-friendly, of course. If you want more information about this event, click the link listed below or ask Mr. Parker at aparker@laalliance.org.
Student Store is back. We're going to be resuming selling today in Redmond's room during lunch. If you have money, please come by, spend some cash.
That's all, Grizzlies!